Right now we are in Halong Bay and we're about to go on a cruise to see the islands, which apparently look spectacular. This is it. We're in Halong Bay. First, we're gonna have some food on the boat. The food was great. It's quite a cool boat, and we paid for this trip, for this cruise, $30. It's about 4 to 5 hours long and includes a kayaking trip and a visit to a fisherman's village and a cave visit. Yeah. But I'm not going into the cave because I'm gonna fly my new drone. Looks pretty sweet around here from the top. So that was my second drone flight ever, and it's a little bit scary, but it's a lot of fun. Looking forward doing more of that. And now we're gonna go and visit a fisherman's village, I think. So we are here at this fisher village, but there's no village around here. But we're gonna do some kayaking. This place is called Halong Bay, apparently because those mountains look for the locals here like dragons, and Halong means Dragon Mountain or Dragon Hill. I'm not sure. It's so quiet here. Woo!